How do you import cryptocurrency transaction into H&R Block Online? Let's get started. Before starting, gather the following information. Crypto transaction records, Form 1099B or 1099K. Ensure your exchange provides transaction history in CSV format or API integration option. Examples: Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, etc. Some exchanges issue tax forms that summarize your crypto activity. These may simplify reporting. For a large number of trades, consider using a crypto tax tool. Next, navigate to the website of H&R Block, provide your credentials, and log into your account. In the income section, find the option Investment and Cryptocurrency. Select Add or Edit under Stocks, Mutual Funds, Bonds, and Cryptocurrency. Choose Import Method, API Integration. Some crypto platforms integrate directly with H&R Block. Look for an option to connect your account, such as Import from Coinbase. CSV File Import. If API integration is not available, download your transaction history in CSV format from your exchange. Update the CSV file into H&R Block when prompted. Manual entry. If you prefer, you can manually enter each transaction by providing date of acquisition, date of sale or trade, proceeds from the sale, cost basis, gain or loss. Review the imported transaction for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to cost basis or transaction types. H&R Block will calculate your capital gains or losses based on the imported data. Short-term gains are from assets held for less than a year and taxed at regular income tax rates. Long-term gains are from assets held for over a year and taxed at lower capital gains rate. H&R Block may flag potential loss sales where a loss cannot be claimed due to repurchasing the same asset within 30 days. Save your progress after verifying your cryptocurrency data. Continue with the rest of your tax return. By following these steps, you can efficiently import cryptocurrency transaction into H&R Block Online and ensure accurate tax reporting. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.